How to change Cash App limits. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change Cash App limits, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now in order to basically change Cash App limit, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is first of all open up Cash App and make sure that you're signed into your account. Once you've done that, tap on the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then from there, you'll find this little option that says limits. So just make sure to tap the little limits option there. When you go to limits, you'll be able to view first of all of your current limits. So if you want to change the limit, you'll also find the option to change the limit after you verify a couple of your identity and documents. That's how you can actually change your Cash App limit. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.